Welcome back! We're making our way through the steps in a UX research study. So far, we've covered the first two steps: plan the study and conduct the research. After a usability study, we have a ton of feedback from participants. What are we going to do with all that information? Well, in this video, we'll move to step 3 of a UX research study: analyze and synthesize the results. Analyzing and synthesizing the results from your research is all about turning observations into actionable insights. Remember, an insight is an observation that helps you understand the user or their needs from a new perspective. Insights help explain what data means and what to do with it. In just 4 steps, we can turn the observations from our research into actionable insights. First, gather all of the data from the usability study in one place. This includes everything from the observations you quickly scribbled on sticky notes to the notes that you took in Google Docs or spreadsheets. Be sure to check with your team to gather any notes that they may have taken too. Next, organize the data. This is where we take the data gathered in step 1 and arrange it. If you wrote your observations on sticky notes, you might use a method called affinity diagramming to organize your data, which you learned about in an earlier course of this program. Or, if you use spreadsheet note-taking to record your observations, you've already started organizing the data without even realizing it. Each of these methods are reliable, so the choice of how you organize your data is up to you. After you organize your data, you're ready to find themes. One of the key goals of user research is to identify themes or patterns that are common across participants. To do this, we'll ask ourselves 2 key questions. What common patterns stand out in the data you collected? And what do they tell you about your product design? Once you recognize the themes, it's easier to turn the feedback into something actionable. And lastly, come up with insights based on the themes. Strong insights are grounded in real data and answer the research questions that were laid out in your plan. Your insights should be easy to understand and increase your empathy for the user's experience. The best insights inspire direct action and help the design team improve the product. Depending on the amount of data you've collected, you should be able to come up with a handful of themes and insights. Once you have a list of insights from a usability study, you're ready to make improvements to your design. This is what we'll cover in the next video, iterating on your low-fidelity designs. I'll meet you there.